Hey friends, if you wish to change the recording screen in dual monitor setup in OBS Studio, then please watch this video. So I don't have a dual monitor, but I'll try and explain it. Click on File, select Settings from the menu, go to the Video tab. Now you'll find Base Canvas Resolution here. It is anyway grayed out in my case. You have to click on the downward pointing arrow associated with it, and then you need to select the option for outputs. You need to select the option for both the monitors. Okay, it will show individually for each and every monitor. You can select it for both the monitors. And once you select it, click on apply and then on OK. This is for recording dual screen. And if you wish to change it from one monitor to the other, you can simply select the base canvas resolution of that monitor. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.